now see we are going to do an unboxing video today. Yes, my husband got me a new laptop for my birthday, which is in 2 weeks by the way. So we're going to unbox this and see what's inside. And I got this yesterday from Amazon Prime. I actually booked it last night and I got it delivered today itself. So that's great by Amazon. So now let's open it. Dell XPS 15. Yeah, and you can see the description on the side here. Once I charge and open the laptop, we will again see all the features of it. So now we have unboxed the laptop, and here I have the Dell XPS 13, which my husband uses, and this is the new one, Dell XPS 15 inch. So you can see the difference in size. That's the how big the 15 inches. This is the 13 inch. This 13 inch is quite light. But for a 15 inch laptop, it's quite light. Now on the 13 inch one, so we have a headset port, this is the charger one, Thunderbolt port, and SD card, micro SD card one. And this side we have two Thunderbolts and battery indicator here, and two Thunderbolts. So this is for the 13 inch one. Now the 15 inch one, so we have a normal SD card port here and a USB port. There's no USB port on the 13, but in the 15 you have two actually. There's one this side and there's one on the other side as well. So here also we have a USB port and a HDMI cable port as well. And the headset. So the headset, HDMI, USB, and another Thunderbolt charger. Connector, Thunderbolt connector one, and the charger as well. So that's the ports for the 15 inch laptop. Now let's open and check the audio, video and the features of it. So in both laptops, we see the matte finish. Both the laptops have the matte finish on the keyboard. And both are Intel i7 processor. This is the 8th generation i7 processor and this is the recent 9th generation. And this comes in different processors like i5 and i9. I've seen a lot of reviews where they say i9 heats up very fast. So they prefer i7 for gaming and other editing, graphic editing. And both come with fingerprint sign-in. That's over here. Quality of the colors, everything is fine.
Mamacita, mamacita, qué bonita.
Well, let's check in the other one. So now this is 13-inch one. It's almost the same.
Mamacita, mamacita, qué bonita.
So that's the audio and video of both the laptops. Okay, so for me, the video and audio of both the laptops were good. I did a Zoom call today, Zoom class, and I had no lag or issues with the laptop. Everything went on well. I am yet to use the laptop more, so I will put up another video after 2 months of use, and then we can compare it. Okay, so I am not a techie person, so I'm not going to go into the details of this laptop. Since I bought it, I thought, okay, let's do an unboxing video for the channel, and did it. I hope you guys liked it, and it was at least a little informative. I'll see you in another video. Shut down or? So, this is Dell XPS 15 for you. I hope this video was informative. If you do like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and bye.